Hey there! Today we're diving into a common merging problem that many of us face when working with multiple files. The problem at hand is how to merge these files together in a specific order, line by line. It might sound simple, but it could be a real headache if you don't know the right approach. Now, let's talk about the solution to this merging problem. The key tool here is the paste command. By using a specific delimiter like $\n, we can effectively merge the contents of multiple files line by line. This creates a new file with a desired output, neatly combining all the lines from each input file in the specified order. It's a straightforward yet powerful solution to our merging conundrum. Expanding on our previous solution, we can achieve the same merging result by utilizing a slightly different approach. This time, we use the delimiter $n directly within the paste command. The effect is the same, smoothly merging the lines from each input file into a single output file. It's all about finding the method that works best for you in your specific merging needs. But wait, there's more to explore. By running the paste command without specifying a delimiter, the default behavior kicks in. This results in the lines from each input file being combined using a tab as the separator. While this may not be the exact format we're looking for in this scenario, it's good to know the various options available when merging files in Unix-based systems. In a nutshell, we've covered different ways to tackle the merging problem using the paste command. From custom delimiters to default separators, there's a solution for every merging situation you may encounter. So, next time you're faced with merging multiple files, remember these techniques to streamline the process effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, merging files doesn't have to be a daunting task with the right tools and know-how. You'll be merging like a pro in no time. See you in the next one.